Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the variable aperture on your DJI Osmo Action 6. Okay, so this device has a variable aperture which lets you change it, and what that means is you can adjust it to what photos you want to take. Now, aperture is can be smaller or higher, and it will do different things. A higher aperture, let me first show you where to find the aperture. As you can see, it is right here. When you press on this button, or just slide from, no, don't slide, just press on the button. And then variable aperture, and you can set it to auto. Then you can set the range of the auto aperture. In just a little moment I'll explain what those different apertures mean. You can set it to fixed, so it'll just be 2.8 like a classic action camera. And then Starburst, which will be 4, and that is basically a different one. So now let's talk about what those apertures mean. Now, the higher the value, the more closed aperture physically is. So also the more closed it is, it has a larger depth of field, which means that things in the background won't be blurred out as much. And also it has almost everything in focus. So as you can see, fixed aperture, it says that focus distance is 20 centimeters. Whereas fixed would be 38. So that is the focus here. This is the minimum focus, right? So the higher the aperture, the smaller the minimal focus is, which is really great if you want to capture something from up close, but it makes the image darker. The more closed the aperture is, so the bigger the button, the number is. So that is also pretty important. And the smaller numbers will make the image lighter, brighter, and will have some like higher focus, minimal focus distance, will have a smaller depth of field, which gives you that cinematic effect, but it's just up to you whether you need it at some time. And it has basically, I've told about everything, so that is it. And you can set it, so you can set it to Starburst, fixed, or auto, and auto can be set to different ranges, and that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.